Hello. Welcome to SAS Media Studio. This is Kojo Inketia. Well, in this video I am going to show you how to log in into your RDP. So in my previous videos I have been teaching you how to create RDP, so you understand. So immediately you learn how to create, or if in case you are able to create or you buy the RDP, how are you going to use it? Okay, so all you have to do is just come to your search bar, okay, at the start menu, okay, over there. So I'm going to search remote. So you will see remote desktop connection. Just click on that. Yes, so immediately you see this, all you have to do is just paste your IP address in this field. Okay, so I'm going to just copy my IP address into this field. Okay, and click on connect. All right, so yes, connect. So they are asking us of our username. So if you watch my previous videos, you will know the username. So it was administrator. Okay, so yes, so just copy it, then let me add the password over there, then let's go. Okay, so yes, immediately you see this, then you're almost there. Click yes, then accept it. All right, so initiating remote connection, securing remote connection, configuring remote session. I'm talking too much, let's wait. So as you can see, we have been able to log into our RDP successfully. So if you want to learn how to create it, I have created a video on how to create RDP. So as you can see, I can click. You see, I'm having an internet access as well. Okay, just there you cannot see it, but I have internet access. Okay, yes. So this is a very powerful thing. It is loading up because it's a new installation that I did. Is now loading up stuffs. Okay, so the instance I chose was T medium. All right, so this is my IP address, public IP address. Okay, and that is it. That is my host name. So you can change this icon over here. You understand? So this is it. This is how you can log in into your RDP. So if you watch my previous video, you followed it rightfully, you should be able to get your RDP running like this that you are seeing. So you can see I'm just clicking around. You understand? Okay, so now let's meet next time. Please subscribe for more. Like this video if you really enjoy it. Let's meet next time. Goodbye.